Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide specific games from your profile on your PlayStation 4 so your friends can't see your activity. So I'm on home screen. Let's go up to my profile and select this. And then I can go down to the games section and you can see all the games I've recently played. So the last game I played was Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. And my friends can see this. Otherwise, they can go to like recent activities and they can see what I've been playing. Here's Sonic Mania. Otherwise, they can go over to like my trophies section and they can see at what time or the trophies I unlocked. So to hide all this, we want to go to settings and then go to where it says account management, then go to privacy settings, and you'll probably have to type in your password right now. So just make sure you have that at hand. Then at the top, go to gaming and media and go down to gaming history, and we can change this. Choose who can see your gaming trophies. Now I have set to anyone right now, but you can do friends of friends or friends only or no one. Then right here it says you can hide specific games by going to privacy setting, hidden games. So let's go back. Then go to hidden games right here. Then we can go to hide games for PS4. You do have the option for PS3 and the Vita. So let's go to hidden games for PS4 and we can find the game we want to hide on here. So let's go to Sonic Mania and then go over to confirm. And it's going to be hidden from our PlayStation 4 online status, etc. So right here it says to hide a specific game from your activities, profile, and trophies list. You can select down here. So this is going to hide it from your profile now. Let's see if it shows up. So let's go back over to profile. It's still showing up for me, but it shouldn't be showing up for your friends. It says hidden from other players right here. And this one does not, nor does Minecraft. So if you don't want to be seen, go ahead and do this. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.